This is the Executive Woman Skirt Foundation's location in Randolph, Massachusetts, where we make the skirts to sell to benefit the young girls in Haiti learning a trade. This is the You're Smart. This is the You're Important. I love this skirt. It has a fishtail. That's why it looks like this when it's down. In Your Loved, which is more of a relaxed skirt, a circle skirt. We have a machine that still needs to be put together. And on the left, right here, are the cuts. On the right are the skirts that we show to our buyers when they are interested in seeing our skirts and possibly carry in their stores. So we have all the different types